The Tecno Pop 8 is a budget-friendly smartphone that has two options. One that comes with 3GB of RAM and 64GB internal storage, and the second one comes with 4GB of RAM and 128GB internal storage. The Tecno Pop 8 is a smartphone with 5000 mAh battery and Android 13 Go edition operating system with Unisoc T06 processor, which are found in recent budget-friendly smartphones. The Tecno Pop 8 comes in 4 colors: Alpine Glow Gold, Gravity Black, Mystery White, and Magic Skin. You also get a dynamic bar that allows face unlock, background calls, low battery reminder, and full charge. Inside the box, you find the Tecno Pop 8 itself, an MTN voucher for 1GB of data, 10W fast charging, a SIM ejector tool, silicone case, and an earpiece. As you can see, it's the regular stuff you get from Tecno. Now, when it comes to design, the Tecno Pop 8 has a silk and modern look. The back and frame are well crafted from plastic, giving it a lightweight feel. Taking a look at the side, we have a side mounted fingerprint scanner neatly placed on the right side, just below the volume key. I hope you're enjoying this video already. I would appreciate it if you could like this video and also subscribe to see more reviews. It also adds a convenient touch for unlocking your device effortlessly. One interesting aspect is the dual speaker setup, one at the top and another at the bottom. The sound quality is decent, although it could use a bit more bass. Charging is done through USB-C port, and as always, you find a headphone port at the bottom. Now, the back of the phone features a textured pattern, adding a bit of flair to the design. The most interesting part is that you won't feel the texture while holding the phone. Flipping it over, we got a dual camera setup with a flashlight beside them. The overall design might seem familiar if you have been keeping eye on Tecno and Infinix device. It's a design they are stuck with for a while, and it's time for them to give us a fresh look. On the left side, you find the SIM card slot supporting two 4G SIM card and a memory card slot for expanding storage. What sets it apart is the customizable refresh rate, allowing you to choose between 60Hz and 90Hz refresh rate, or set it to auto refresh dynamically based on your activities. I prefer the smooth 90Hz refresh setting. The touch sensitivity is on point, making the colors pop as you enjoy your favorite contents from platforms like YouTube and TikTok. It might not be the best for the price range, but we can let it slide. We got the Unisoc T606 processor, which is good for everyday use and casual gaming. This kind of processor is not used for every gaming, and doing so would result in lag. The device runs on Android 13 Go edition and iOS 13 user interface. This time, Tecno reduced the amount of pre-installed apps you get. Packs a 13 mega main camera along with a 0.8 megapixel depth sensor. Now, if you are shooting video, the Tecno Pop 8 lets you record in 1080p, though I feel Tecno can do better when it comes to the video section. Now, what makes the Tecno Pop 8 stand out is the impressive 5000 mAh battery. That's right, a whopping 5000 mAh battery. This means you can go through your day without constantly worrying about finding a charging point. The included 10W fast charger does the job, but for me, it's not breaking any speed records. Charging from 0 to 100 takes a bit over 2 hours. Well, there you have it, the Tecno Pop 8, a budget-friendly smartphone that does the job, and it shouldn't break the bank in order for you to get yourself one. If you're looking for a phone that has 5G, then you can opt for the Itel P55 5G phone, which comes with a much better processor than the Unisoc. If you found the video helpful, kindly like so YouTube can recommend this video to others, and also subscribe if you wish to see more content from me. Bye for now.